Hi, welcome to Infraready. I'm just going to take you through our latest portal. So we've obviously been building quite a lot of these boxes lately, and we wanted to make one that's a little bit different. So it's a scan and store version, so you can hear it stepping through the store stations. We've got a button to make it switch to frequency stepping. So that's at a set rate we've set it to. It can be increased, but we find it works better with the reverb. So I'll just switch it back to its channel hopping mode. So at the minute you'll see this dial in the middle. So mode 52 is off. So we'll run you through. Let's get the volume set right so you can hear me. So if we go to number 58, this is the Doppler. And then each time you increase, you get a different rate of effect. And then we'll go up to 65, which is a phaser. And then 73, this mutes or brings voices down a pitch. And then we're going to the pitch bending mode. So 75 is a high pitch.
I'm Ryan, I've got that.
And then we're going for low pitch modes. And we've got a choir mode. So that's more like the portal on our normal portal echo. And we've got a pitch drop echo. And then a high pitch echo. So on you've got a series of standard echoes on 0 to 9. And then we've got some reverse modes. Right, so to demonstrate the box a little clearer, we'll just find a station with some that's talking.
Written on a scrap.
Just bear with us a minute.
Oh, she married him. You're not in touch?
You must excuse me.
Right, so we'll just run through the demonstration again. So if we go to 58, that's Doppler. Phaser.
Give the clay hangers a bottle of the Chablis with my compliments. The good Chablis.
Oh, hi, Billy. I asked around. They said I should get it for 1,200. I'll go to 14 if I have to. Well, some would be much better at this sort of thing.
That one takes the voices out. So we're going to the pitch bending mode.
Good evening, Mrs. Bowley. It's always nice to see the tenants
Present at these affairs. Has everyone had sufficient refreshments? Ladies?
So these will all take effect on the audio snippets.
Father?
I'll not sit there.
It's all right, Constance. I'll make.
On my account, I'll perch, thank you.
Wait, a glass of
So that's the choir mode, so that doubles up voices. And we'll go to a pitch drop echo. So you've got the normal voice and also an echo in a deeper pitch. And then the same with a high pitch. So if we flip to 52, that's off.
Yes.
1,050 pounds.
And then we'll go into reverse mode. So reverse.
1,200.
12. Right, sir. 1,400.
These are making me uncomfortable.
I can't help that.
£1,450 like this.
Understood business. I'll not chuck you out. You've at least till 1895.
So if we let the button go again, because we've just held that station, we'll go back onto the channels. So obviously we've got nothing applied at the minute. That's off.
Until they...
Okay, that's the box. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Please subscribe, like and share this. Help us keep our channel going. It's much appreciated. And you can visit our site, obviously over at infraready.co.uk should you wish to see our equipment.